Hi friends, today we are going to see the new topic that is nothing but the femur bone. Okay, see in our body one of the longest bone is nothing but the femur bone. Okay, if you are going to discuss whenever as a in general knowledge, the longest bone of human body is known as the femur bone. Okay, so there are the two femur bones are present in human body. One is towards the right side of the leg, one is towards the left side of the leg. Okay, as we are going to discuss the length. Okay, so nearly 18 inches. Okay, the 18 inches will be the total length of the femur is there. The femur bone, okay, the femur bone is composed by the three major part. Okay, what are the part is there, वो हम लोग देखेंगे यहाँ. So three part कौन से हैं. So that three part is nothing but upper end, that we are going to see afterwards total in detail. Next one is the shaft, and after that is the lower end. Okay, see these things. After these things we are going to see the general things, how otherwise the what are the joint will be made by the femur bone or the joint of femur bone. So what are the joint is there? See, first is nothing but hip joint. Okay, second one is nothing but knee joint, and third one is nothing but the articulate with patella. Okay, so this is nothing but the general things of the femurs. Next we are going to see the total parts of the femur. What are the part is there according to the compositions. Now what are the part is there according to composition. So otherwise we are telling the structure of femur. See, normally we know the femur's structure is like that. Okay, see, before itself we discussed the femur bone is composed by the three major part: upper end, shaft, and the lower end. See, in upper end, this portion is known as the head of femur. What is this? Head of femur. See, one part is there which is looking in big in size, but it is in posterior side, and this part is in towards the front side, but it is in less in size. So this part is known as the lesser trochanter. Okay, and the big portion is known as the greater trochanter. Okay, this total area of femur is known as the shaft. Otherwise this is only known as in normally we are telling the body of femur. Body of femur. See, here will be the small lining will be there. This part is known as the linea aspera. Okay, now we are coming in down portion of the femur. This down portion of femur is divided most of two ways, in lateral side and middle side. Okay, this middle side is known as the middle condyle, and this portion is known as the lateral condyle. Okay, and down will be again one part is there. This part is known as the patellar surface. Okay, now these things only we are going to see in one kind of model.